Let's start off with a quick little swath of the cherry pit with the turquoise. Just to get something down really quick. We like that. This is a piece that I was working on earlier that didn't really turn out the way I liked for what I was doing. So I'm just going to, we're going to just play with today's project for that. I was trying to print make and it didn't work out. So we're going to use this to our advantage. Okay. So I like where that's going. I want to try playing around with a bit of charcoal wash. So let's get, I'm just going to make some marks through here. All right. Let's come in with a bit of water through here. Make some marks. Let's come in with a little bit of this sort of burnt sienna pastel. I kind of want this just to be messy. I kind of want to have a little bit more energy. I feel like I've been kind of stuck, a little stuck in my work, and I kind of want to loosen up a little bit. So this might help. I don't know. Like, that happens sometimes, especially when you make art pretty much every, a few times a week. You're making things, you're creating things, you're experimenting. And sometimes it doesn't always work out the way that you want it to. I like what we got going on here, but I got to figure out what we're going to do next. So I think I want to come in. This is still a little wet, but I think I'm going to come in with just some blue marks through here. Maybe some down here. Maybe not. I don't know. Like that. Maybe they need to come down a little bit. Let's bring some more black marks through here. I'm working on a sheet of Jack Richardson printmaking paper, which is maybe not the best paper for this. It doesn't accept a lot of water, so we might get some funky things. What about this yellow color? I'm sort of liking that. Bring some of that through here. So let's come in with some white paint in the color shaper. I'm also not going to worry about whether these mesh together. we're just gonna create some marks through there. Let's come in with a palette knife. Let's scratch back in. I think I want to bring that white down a little bit. Maybe into here a little. Color shaper is good for that. I'm kind of getting some gray tones in there, but that's okay. I don't hate it. Let's come in with more palette knife. Make some marks through here. I think we need some white up there too. Let's put just a little bit through here. This is just white acrylic paint. Ooh, I like that. I like that mark. That was fun. Yeah, good energy through there. Let's put some more down through here. I know you guys are maybe a little scared of using acrylic, but you shouldn't be. I mean, it covers up well. You could use gesso as well if you want to play around with that idea. I kind of like these swaths of white. I'm not sure where this is going. Okay, I do think we need more of this color through here. And if you wanted to, you could definitely spray these with a fixative. I am not going to do that because I'm not really worried if this is permanent. This is really just fun for me, practice, as they would say. I think we need some orange. I think I decided on pink. I don't know why. A little bit of pink. A little bit of pink here and there. You know what? I actually think I want to dry this. Let's come in with a bit more of that pink now that that's dry. I kind of like that. I think it needs more of a green, maybe black. Let's come in with this watercolor, the Cherry Pit. I just covered up everything I did, but that's okay. You can do that. I'm going to add some marks with this ochre color from Caran d'Ache. A little wet. Might be getting too many colors in here. Can you have too many colors? Maybe. Oh, my nose is itching like crazy. What's that old wives' tale? Is somebody's talking about you? I'm gonna take the palette knife and scrape back in here a little bit. Ooh, that's fun. Look at those marks. Back into the white a little bit and some spots. I like that. I like those scratches. Okay. I think I'm going to add some black. Okay, let's add some black marks with our carbon paper. I'm going to use this guy. I want to bring some lines through here. Maybe, oh, that was aggressive. What is going on today? I'm having one of those days where not everything is working for me today. Usually things go a bit smoother than they are today. Oh my God. Okay, fine. Maybe we need some of those little chunky marks through here. Maybe a few more. Just to kind of give some difference. Okay. Let's do a black mark through here. Maybe one. I'm gonna get these one through here too. I'm gonna make some marks with this burnt sienna color through here to kind of bring that through. And maybe some more green. I like that white right there. I think that's good. I'm trying to decide if I want to add more of it up there. What happens if we add just some chunky white through there? And brush it away a little bit so that we can see a little bit of what's going on. Maybe bring it through here. I think that white is really adding something. Especially when we scrape away a little bit, relieve some of that blue coming through. Color shapers are amazing. Okay. I thought it might be nice to share a bit of a close-up here so you guys can see what it looks like. So I think this one's done. I feel like I've made a lot of marks, and it was really fun to do. Let's put a mat on it and see what we get. I would probably, again, this is a little larger than, so I would probably want to include, probably like that, I think. It's amazing how much better things look with a mat. Like, I really like it. I like all the fun scratchy marks. I like the white. I think the white really added something over the top of it. Maybe I should have brought it down here, but I kind of like that sort of chaos going there. Like, what is going on there? I don't know. The burnt sienna color is nice. The pink and this color is nice through here. I think it has a lot of energy. I think it was definitely fun to make. So that kind of is all it needs. Yeah. Should I bring it up a little bit? Maybe right there. I really like the the simplicity of the sky. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Was quick and easy and fun without thinking. Like, there was literally no thinking in here. Okay, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Watch the next video. That'll come up soon, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Bye.